Before you begin, remove the access panel, fan duct, front bezel, rotate the drive cage up, expansion cards, graphics cards, I/O cards, NIC card bracket, combo jack PS2 module, power supply, memory, heatsink, and processor. Removal. Disconnect all the cables from the system board, noting their locations for reinstallation. Remove the 8 Torx T15 screws securing the system board to the chassis. Slide the system board away from the rear of the chassis. Tilt the system board up and remove it from the chassis. Replacement. At an angle, lower the system board into the chassis. Slide the system board towards the rear of the chassis, ensuring the screw holes are aligned. Replace the 8 Torx T15 screws that secure the system board to the chassis. Reconnect all the cables to the system board.